This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 RBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, TV, Slideout, stove-top burner, leveling jacks, awning, microwave, LP detector, air conditioning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, kitchen island, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 RBE is 5,316 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.